afternoon to all. Today our chapter is ratio and proportion from the book ML Agarwal 7.3 exercise. Last class I have completed number 1 and 2 completed. Number 3 you see, if 4a plus 5b into 4c minus 5d equal to 4a minus 5b into 4c plus 5d, then prove that a, b, c, d are in proportion. Okay. Number 3, from 3 onwards I will do. Okay, 3, 4, 5 up to 6 today I will complete. Let me see. Okay, just see question number 3. Question number 3 is given 4a plus 5b into 4c minus 5d equal to 4a minus 5b into 4c plus 5d. You have to prove a by b equal to c by d. First you have to take the help of given part. Do one thing here. 4a plus 5b keep it here, and this 4a minus 5b bring this here. This will be divided. 4a minus 5b equal to, this is 4c plus 5d right hand side, and this 4c minus 5d will go that right hand side, divided. Okay. Now using componendo and dividendo, this will be 4a plus 5b plus numerator plus denominator, that is 4a minus 5b. 4 divided by same process, 4a plus 5b using componendo and dividendo. Dividendo means minus 4a minus 5b. This will be 4c plus 5d, 4 into plus 4c minus 5d divided by 4c plus 5d, middle minus 4c minus 5d. This is called using componendo and dividendo. Now see, the second part will be cancelled out. 4a plus 4a means 8a. If I open the bracket, this 4a minus 4a cancel, 5b, this will be plus 5b, 10b. This side 4c plus 4c, 8c, plus 5d minus 5d cancel. If I open the bracket, this is 4c, 4c minus 4c cancel, 5d, this will be plus 5d, means 10d. Now 8 by 10 both sides cancel, a by b is equal to c by d, that you have to prove. Therefore a, b, c, d are proportional, proved. A, b, c, d are proportional matlab a by b equal to c by d. Number 3 completed. Question number 4. Number 4, what is given? Just as what is given? It is given that PA plus QB. Question number 4, it is given that PA plus QB is to means divided by PC plus QD equal to PA minus QB divided by PC minus QD. Do one thing here. By alternando, this will be PA plus QB divided by this PA minus QB will come this side, PA minus QB equal to, this will be interchange, corner interchange, PC plus QD divided by PC minus QD by alternando. By alternando, this corner can be changed. Okay. Now after that you have to apply component or dividend. If you apply component or dividend, that means this numerator plus denominator, this will how much? QB cancel. PA plus PA, it will be how much? 2PA. Directly I am doing. And denominator it will be 2QB. This side same process, 2PC by 2QD. 2P by 2 cancel, P by Q cancel. What left? A by B equal to C by D. In this way, the second part number 4 also completed. Just omitting one step here. Using component or dividend, this numerator plus denominator, this will be cancelled, PA plus PA, 2PA. And denominator will be PA plus QB minus PA minus QB. That means this will be 2QB. 2 cancel, PA by QB. This side same process, 2PC by 2QD. 2 cancel, P by Q cancel, A by B equal to C by D. Proof. Question number 5. Question number 5, it is given that MA plus NB by B equal to MC plus ND by D. It is given and you have to prove A by B equal to C by D. Multiplying 1 by M, 1 by N, multiplying 1 by N both sides. This will be NB. MC plus ND, if I multiply 1 by N, this will be ND. Multiplying 1 by N both sides we are getting this one. Now subtracting 1 both side, ma plus nb by nb minus 1, subtracting 1 both side, both left hand side as well as right hand side. Now take LCM, this will be nb. Now this will be ma plus nb minus nb. Nb cancel, left ma, this side nd will be cancelled, mc by nd. Now m by n, both side cancel, what left? A by b equal to c by d. In this question number 5 also proved. Let us go question number 6. Question number 6, it is given 11a square plus 13b square into 11c square minus 13d square equal to 11a square minus 13b square whole into 11c square minus plus 13d square. By alternate law, this 11 square minus bring this side. This will be 11a square plus 13b square divided by 11a square minus 13b square coming this side divided. Now this 11c square minus 13 take that side. Before it was 11c square plus 13d square divided, this will come down 11c square minus 13d square. Now using component and dividend, 11a square plus 13b square plus 11a square minus 13b square divided by same process 11a square plus 13b square using component and dividend minus 11a square minus 13b square. Same process right hand side 11c square 13d square plus 11c square minus 13d square divided by 11c square plus 13d square minus 11c square minus 13d square. Now you see the second part will be cancelled, plus 13b square minus 13b square, 11 square plus 11 square, 22 square. Denominator 11 square, this will be minus 11 cancel out, 13b square plus 13b square, this will be 26b square. Same process 13b square minus 13d square cancel, 11c square plus 11c square, 22c square. Then denominator part 11c square, this will be minus 11c square cancel, 13d square plus 13d square, 26d square. 22 by 26 cancel both side, and taking square root, it will be a by b is equal to c by d. Therefore a by b got c by d means a, b, c, d are proportional. Okay, in this question number 6 completed. I hope you are able to understand. Thank you for today's class. Next day more sums.